Well, good afternoon, chaps and chapesses. Just blasting down through Hillsborough at the minute. Polizia doing something there, 3 of them. Something's been going off, 4 of them. Something's been going off. Halt, polizia, polizia! So yeah, just blasting down. I don't know where I'm going to go. I'm just going to go for a little ride. See what it takes us. I'm meant to be going to do a little job at about tea time, and we're not far off tea time now, but I've not heard from people, so fuck it, I'm just going to go for a little ride because it's just gorgeous weather, do you know what I mean? So I'm just bugging it. I'm not wasting any of it if I can help it. So we'll go have a little bit of a blast. We'll go have a bit of a blast. I'll go up to the job a little bit later on. I'm not going to go too far, but it's just a lovely day. These roads, god damn these roads. Ugh. Listen to her. Oh god, she's fucking awesome. Might as well stick it in neutral, because we're sat here fucking ages, we always are. Yeah, I'm okay, alright. Cheers, man. Must be a biker, or someone that appreciates bikes. Good fella, good fella. Knows something good when he sees it, obviously. Come on, fucking hell, here we go. Go up towards Bradfield, chaps, up past Loxley, and we'll turn at Loxley Garden Centre, and there's a nice bit of freshly tarmacked country roadage goes up that way, so we'll take it up there, go up that way and then just come back down towards home, I think, and put this beautiful machine away for the evening. Get a bit of wesh tomorrow, because she had to clean since the day before Easter Eve, you might say. Steady on 4x4, steady on. What are you doing? Oh pal. Oh man, this bike, it just moves underneath you. Honest to God, it really is just part of you. Look at that. Ooh. Just think about it. It might as well be telekinetically, yeah. It might as well be I can't even say the word telekinetically. I can say it, but not in a sentence. My brain hasn't developed that far yet. It might as well be I can't do it. It might as well be Nah. It might as well be that word connected to you. It's just, look at that. Oh, it's just, ooh. Oh, she's just ready to go. She's just ready to go, man. Oh, all you gotta do is take care of her. All you gotta do is take care of her. All you've gotta do is take care of her. Beautiful day though, I mean look at it, look at it. I'm going to just, look at that, I'm going to turn right now up here in a minute too. Look at that though, lovely. I love that view. Never tired of it, I love views like that. Right, I'm going to turn right up here back Gans then. Oh, I nearly took front end up then. Nice bit of road this, isn't it? Got to be careful as you come to the top here. Cause you never know what's there. Never know what's there. You just take it steady and you can blast back down to the way if you want. But it's lovely that, isn't it? If there's no one there in front of you, just wing, wing, wing. Just fucking belt it open. Lovely though, it really is nice. I love little stretches like this, you know. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that view, look at that view, chaps. Again, 2 or 3 minutes from my house. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What's that in front of us? Look at that. No one behind us. Nobody behind us. First gear. Someone coming towards us, I better fucking chill out. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'll just go steady. Ah, bollocks. There's always someone ready to spoil your fucking fun, isn't there? Fuck me. I'm gonna really fucking whack it up and then I'll... Oh, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, fuck it, man. Oh, fuck it. You've got to love this shit, haven't you? I mean, it's just beautiful. How can you not? How can you not? I mean, how did I miss? How old was I when I was doing it? 18, 17, 18. What did you think? Okay, 24 year, man. How can I miss that? 24 year, dude. How can I have been at it for 24 years? Hey, hope some bikers here, look. Fuck you know, it's a bit windy. Let's check these bikers out here. Hey up. Yeah, that's good to see. Look at that view though, look at that view, chaps. Look at that view up there, look at that. Look at that view. Look, I fucking look at that view. Honest to God, I've never been up to road before. Look at that. Fuck me, I'm gonna stop here. Loads of room for people to see me. I'm gonna stop here. Look at this, chaps. Look at this. Look at that. The sticker in neutral. Just switch it off a second. I tell you what, I shouldn't walk around here. Look at that. Are we recording? Yeah, look at that. Sheffield. Do it with that finger. I think it'll be better with that finger. Sheffield down there. Cam's on that side. Yeah, Sheffield down there. Look at that. That's awesome. That's beautiful, that, isn't it? That's really nice. Look at that. It's almost like a picture postcard, you know. Oh, it's lovely. Look at a little road winding its way up there though, through villages and that. Little villages and stuff going up there. That's really nice, that. You can proper see, like, it's a real panoramic view, isn't it? Yeah. I love this shit. I love this shit. It's like a big bowl, isn't it? It's like a big bowl. It's a little bit like this from there's a place north of Leeds called Shevin, Shevin. Another little bit of a shout out, DVD Glencoe. Glenn, old boy, moderator on motorbikecommunity.com. He's got a fucking lovely triple. He's got a lovely triple. Same model as this one, I believe. I don't know if it's same year. I think it is same year. But anyway, he'll know that area. He's from up that way. Otley Shevin, Glenn, you'll know it, won't you, old boy? You can get up on rocks there. And you can, well, in fact, it's a lot higher than this because you can look a lot deeper. It goes a lot further down. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's nice up there. Skipton, you'll know Skipton, won't you, Glenn? That way on. Ilkley Moor. Yeah, it's nice up there. Oh, I could hear the bike there in distance. Whang, whang, whang. Yeah, but I've never been at the show before. In all honesty. It's really nice up here, isn't it? Sort of place you could just sit for ages just looking at stuff. You could bring I'd love to bring my binoculars up here. My dad gave us a pair of binoculars. Oh. How old am I now? I'm not saying how old I am now. But my dad gave us a pair of binoculars, it must be 30 years ago. I've still got them. Not very powerful, but fantastic, like, still got them. But I'd love to bring them up here and you just sit and peer about. You know, you can see so much from a sort of vantage point like this. You can see how effective a tank could be, couldn't you, from a position like this? I mean, look how much destruction you could lay out from here. How many rounds you could lay down? How many little villages and roads and intersections and little industrial areas, and what a big part of Sheffield you could lay siege to with just a couple of cannons. Couple of tanks or something. Not the river one I like, but just saying. Beautiful, isn't it? Makes you kind of wish days could last forever. Times like this, you know. Lovely and warm, not too warm. I feel alright, you know. I feel good. It's peaceful out here. That's nice. I might just head down that road a bit and then find my way back. Might head down that way, see what crack is with those villages down there. Because one never knows what one might find on one's doorstep. Saw bats last night for the first time. I wonder if that's got to do with heat, with sun and weather change. Me and my daughter went out into the backyard, back garden, and you could see them flapping about in moonlight. Or maybe it was at moonlight that we could just see them. Maybe they've been out, a while. Maybe they're out all year long. Are bats out all year long? Are they annual? Are they all year round? She was scared at first, but I told her not to, but I just said they like flying mice. And then showed her some pictures on Google Images. And then told her to see by sound. Because they've got these poxy little eyes. You ever seen a bat's eyes? They're fucking tiny. But then they've got radar, they don't need eyes, do they? And it's fucking properly precision radar as well. Isn't it? Honed by thousands of years of evolution. Yeah, precision honed by evolution. I think I've got a fly in my helmet, motherfucker, get out of there. Anyway, this vlogging business meant to be about riding and vlogging, not fucking stood looking at countryside and vlogging. So should we do one? Should we do one, chaps? See what crack is down the road before the phone starts ringing. Where are you? It's meant to be water up at fucking tea time. I'll tell you what. Tell you what, just have a listen to this. I don't know whether I should have done this on walk around the other day. See if you can pick this up. Pretty awesome, that, isn't it? Have you heard the brrr, brrr, brrr? It's that on tick over, I fucking love it. You heard it? No. It's like a bass. It's like a real low bassy. It's just fucking too much sometimes, that. Jesus Christ. Fucking turns me on, I swear to God. Right, let's do one. Let's do one. Are we still recording? Yeah, we're going. Right then, chaps. One last look. Very nice, isn't it? Let's do one.